So, pussy, come here. Come here. Come here, so. You know Sandy Salad, right? Those Sandy Salad used to work for you, though.
We know every politician.
Sandy Salad never used to work for you.
We know every politician.
We not talk about that. Let's stop. Let's stop. Sandy Salad.
Don't you should never want you call him name. Never go in a name calling. But when me I say you're wrong on every level.
Oh, my wrong. May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? Let's talk.
Because those things are private conversation. That's not media energy.
No, are you got it? Are you got it?
You want to shoot me? You want to shoot me?
Let's go there. Since you are fucking go there, let's go there. No, let's go there. Let's go there. Thank you for the money gun. Let's fucking go there.
Do that. You know what? Take big man. People, enough of them come and take the obia. I'm going like, you know, and then you want some bomb up there.
I'm pay for no obia from you, Batty boy. I'm pay for no obia from you.
No sodomite, girl, because when you're
that sodomite, you must see me suck nobody pussy, Batty boy. Batty boy, idiot blood clot body. You must see me pay for no obia from you. Me send nobody for obia.
She one politician, woman, girl, me number. You look up here when my blood clot dead. I'm look call her and tell her that nobody will be a doctor she could go. I'm tell her that she have blood clot cancer and water in her head. And you saw she come and a jog and a blood clot job and a mean help her when she had dead. And that's me like with them hypocrite Jamaican here. You saw me jog and me limit the blood clot test. You come bring up spirituality like you want beat spirituality when I me help you when you're dead. Ain't soon as an ungrateful set of blood clot. Me beg people. Because she never did have to go in it. Because when you are dead at me help you. I feel upset about it. Bumbleclad. Yeah, come on. You should even touch it.
You're not a Obia man. You're not a Obia man. You're not a Obia man. Tell the people them that.
I'm not a Obia man.
Send which address? 2400.
Mute.
You're not a Obia man.
I'm not.
I'm not at him blab them. Why not tell myself I blame them for?
You want to come here with blood clot keep yourself. Instead,
I'm sending the address already. I'm going to download the address when they stop me give the address already. You get it? It's in the Target. I just one of the pill them alone, no one. The one for me sleep. Me send it to you, me sell it to you. My medication it don't cost. My insurance covered. Pass the water for me.
Then when you got your shoes on like that, take those off.
And put them on the wrong foot? Guys, let me tell you something. I'm gonna keep it a stock with Uno. Cause one thing with me, I'm gonna keep it a stock. Cause me's not a blood clot liar. One thing with Rika. In and the beginning of everything with me, I'm gonna tell you, when me have the IIH problem, IIH me diagnosed with. Don't get up, RT. Stay right there, so come don't want you walk off. Cause one thing with me, if me can sit down and tell you something about everybody when me fuck and all of the artists them when me fuck meeting there. Thank you, Papa.